Hey guys, so in science we've been talking about environments yesterday, and on Monday we were reading about environments and learning some more information. So today we're going to watch a video over environmental changes and the effects that they have. And so we're going to watch the video. Make sure you're listening because you will have some questions to answer.
Every organism on Earth lives in an environment. Each one has certain characteristics that make them livable. They provide food, water, air, and protection to their organisms, allowing plants and animals to live there in an ecosystem. They live together in a balance that makes the ecosystem work. Environments are always going through natural changes, from things like weather, the changing of the seasons, and climate events. Plants and animals in that environment have to change too. Environmental changes normally happen over a long time, and organisms are able to adapt and keep the ecosystem healthy. Changing seasons bring changing temperatures, and organisms adapt to keep up. Bears eat lots of food in the summer and fall, so they can hibernate in the winter. Once they've gotten enough fat stored, they go in a den and sleep until spring. Their bodies slow down, and they survive off the fat they have stored. In some places, there isn't enough water for trees to survive, so they get creative. The water system in Mexico is mostly underground, in cenotes, and so thirsty trees must adapt to survive. The trees in the Yucatan Peninsula are clever. Their roots go from the surface, through rock, and into the water. So even in the desert heat, they're never thirsty. Human activity is causing changes in the North Pole. Every year, polar bears go way out onto the ice to hunt seals. But warmer temperatures make that ice melt and break apart, which makes it harder for the bears. Today, they're dying because they cannot reach their food source. And it's not just happening in the North Pole. Environments are changing all over the world, hurting plants, animals, and people too. Humans have the power to stop it if we learn to live more responsibly. If we start to clean up our messes, use renewable energy, and protect our natural resources, we can make the environment healthier for all living things.
Okay, so now what you're going to do is you have some questions we're going to answer. So you're going to tell me 3 things that environments provide to animals and plants. So out of the list of the 3 things that I have, or out of the list of the 6 things that I have, what are 3 things that the environment provides to animals and plants? Number 2, how do bears respond to change in their environments? And then number 3, how do humans change the environment for polar bears? So if you need to go back and watch the video, you may to answer these questions. All right, guys.